Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Walang inaugurated the STEM Education Lab and the Vasundhara Soil Organic Carbon Detection Laboratory in Shillong, emphasizing the need for enhanced collaboration between state institutions like NECTA and NISAC. The STEM lab, developed with ITSER Pune and Curiosity Gym Mumbai, aims to provide hands-on learning for 100 schools in Shillong. The projects aim to promote sustainable agricultural practices and bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application.
At present, this STEM lab is operational at 2 schools only in the state of Meghalaya. And you see these young boys and girls, class 5 to class 7, then class 8 to class 10, how they're demonstrating all the equipments that they have developed through the STEM lab. Class 9 students are learning coding on their own with, of course, guidance from the teachers. It's something that is path-breaking. You know, usually coding is done at the undergraduate level, but now at class 9 they're doing it on their own, and they're developing robotics, they're developing, very state-of-the-art technology over here at the school level. So this will leapfrog and will ensure that the students go to a different level altogether.